Namaskar and hello everyone. Today we will learn about a new smart function. Welcome to the day 12 of a series of small short videos on one day, one Excel formula. Now I bring you back to my Excel sheet. Today we'll learn about smart copy and paste. Now suppose you get the data in multiple sheets. For example, you and five of your colleagues or 10 of your colleagues are working to maintain a sheet of records of, for example, marks of the students that you teach. I teach class 6, you teach class 7th, your colleague teaches in class 8, 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So let's say from nursery to 12th you all are teaching and grouping the marks together under different sheets. And sometimes when you have to club the data, it becomes very tedious to copy the records from one sheet and paste it over there in the another, and then copy from the third sheet, paste it on the master sheet. So it's a manual effort, and sometimes the chances in copying and pasting, the margin of error becomes higher. So here it's a smart way to copy everything at once, and then in one go, in one click, you can paste all the data in one sheet. So let's see how we can do it. So under the home tab, under this clipboard group, there's a drop down. There's an icon, down arrow, we call it drop down as well. So click it over there. I'm clearing all the previous references. Now say I have three sheets, smart paste 1, and then again smart paste. I want these three sheets to be copied as it is. The data on these sheets must be copied on my fourth sheet. I'm deleting this so that you'll be able to see the output. So here I'll copy now, or otherwise I should delete it for a better view. Now I go back to my first sheet. Under this we have this clipboard. Now I select the sheet. Control C is a shortcut to copy, we all know that. Now see, the sheet has been copied over here. I'm going to the next sheet. Now I'm copying only the data, I'm not copying the headers. Control C. See, my second sheet has also been copied. Now I'm going to the next sheet, again copying the data. Control C. Now all my three sheets have been copied. Now I want them to appear all together in my this sheet. So what I do is paste all. I click. Now see, all my sheets, class 6 and then class 7 and then class 8, all the members, all the scores, everything have been covered. So in one go you can copy all the sheets and paste at once by just a click of a shortcut. That is, either you use a shortcut or click on paste all. So hope you have liked this. Hope you will enjoy doing this, and stay tuned for more videos. Keep sharing, and till then, take care. We're gonna meet you on day 13 very soon. Bye bye.